Hello guys, this is Akshay, and in this video I am going to tell you about some control statements. So there are some control statements in Java like if statement, then loop, for loop, do while loop, switch, then break, continue. These are the control statements in Java. So first is the if statement. So in the if statement there are multiple if means the single if statement is used for the only one condition, like if we have to execute only one statement like true or false, then only we can use the if statement. Then if else, if there are two statements like true and false, means we have to we have to when we have to we have two statements we have to execute like true and false, then we are going to use the if and else statement. Then if ladder is used for the when multiple conditions are available in the program. Means firstly is if condition, then if else, then again if else. This is based on the our condition and our program. Then nested if is nothing but the if condition inside another if condition. That means like how inner class is like inner class, the if means nested if is there, means inside the if statement, the another statement, if statement, is nothing but the nested if. The next one is the switch statement. Switch statement is nothing but switch statement is like if else if ladder. Inside the switch statement there is one we take one condition, and for that condition we have to take some cases. If there are n number of cases available in the means we can take n number of cases. If case value is match with the condition, means switch condition, then only it will stop the execution and it will print the output. Then next one is loops. In the loop is nothing but loop is also used for the the loop statements are also used for the executing the conditions. So inside the loop there are three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. The for loop, when we use for loop, if n number of iterations available in the program, then only we use the for loop. When we use while loop, when n number of iteration is not available, means when n number of iterations is not available, means n number of iterations is not fixed, then only we use the we can use the while loop. Means it is recommended if iterations is fixed or iterations is not fixed, this based on the for loop and while loop. Then again is the do while loop. If iterations is not fixed but we have to execute the loops, then we can use the do while loop. Okay. Then next one is the break statements. When break statements encountered in the program, then immediately the loop terminated and it switch, means it execute the next statement. When a break statement is occur in the program, the loop totally terminated when break statement occurs, and it execute the another statement. It leave that loop and it resume from the another statement. The next one is continue statements. Continue statements is opposite to switch, opposite to break statement. What break statement do? When a break statement occurs or encounter, then it terminate the program, but it is opposite to break statement. What continue statements do? When continue statement occur in the program, then it jump to the means it continues the loop. Okay, and it continues the loop. Then next one is comments. So there are three types of comments in the Java. First one is the single line comment, Second one is the multi-line comments, and third one is the documentation comments. What is single line comment? If we want to comment if we want to comment for single line, then only we can use the single line comment. Single line comment is nothing but the slash slash, double slash. The multi-line comment is nothing but the slash, star, asterisk, and bunch of code, and end of the code we have to close the comment with asterisk and slash. And the documentation is used for documentation comments is used for the creating documentation of API, when we have to create the documentation, then we can use the documentation comments. Then how to create the means how to use the documentation command. Then slash, star star means slash, asterisk, and the end of the document we have to take one asterisk and slash. So these are the some basic theoretical concept on the control statement. I am going to link means I am going to do some practicals on all these concepts, and I am mentioning the links of those videos in the description of the video. You must watch. Without practicals you cannot understand all these concepts. So I will mention the comments, I will mention the links in the description of this video. Go and watch these practical videos also. So hope you understand this basic concept on the control statements. We will meet in another video. Thank you.